Hello, and welcome to this video in which I give you an introduction to the Imalytics Preclinical Software version 3.1. Before you can start using the software, you first need to install it. Depending on your contract agreement, you will receive a special license key from our licensing team. After installation and activation, you can begin working with the software. When you launch the software, a special splash screen will appear, and it provides some information when your license will expire. This is how the default layout of the software interface looks like. And we have here on the top the main menu with File, Edit, Resample, View, Options. And below it is the upper toolbar. And the upper toolbar includes some general settings. For example, you can load your image data, save for segmentation. You can change the input and the output class when you have a segmentation, but it also includes some general display settings, so you can open different 2D slice views, the axial, corona, and sagittal slice view, or you can open the 3D rendering, and you can also hide segmentations, and yes. So, and under this is the Mouse Settings Toolbar, and the Mouse Settings Toolbar, here for example for the mouse mode slice view, is specific for every mouse mode. You can find the mouse modes here on the left side of the software, and this is called the Mouse Mode Toolbar or the Vertical Toolbar. And what you can see when I hover over a button, then a tooltip will appear, and this tooltip provides the explanation what the button does, what the function is, and also an image. And the tooltips are very helpful to get familiar with the single functions of the software. Before you start working with the software, I recommend to watch also some other tutorial videos. You can find the tutorial videos under Help and then Tutorials, General for example. You currently watch the introduction video here under Introduction, Play Video. You can find also the example dataset that was used in the video, and you can open a white paper, and the white paper provides some additional information. You can find also the tutorial videos on our YouTube channel, or they are implemented in the software. You can find the tutorial videos also on the upper toolbar. It's the last button here. And also for the mouse modes, we have one video for each mouse mode, and it's here also at the end of the Mouse Settings Toolbar. So I recommend to play the videos when you have to work with the mouse modes, for example. And in general, the tutorial videos, they are very helpful. So we also have like tutorials for specific analysis here under CT, for example, how to segment fat or the spleen or the stomach. So they are really, really helpful, and I really recommend watching them. Now I will load an example dataset under, for example, tutorials, general, introduction, load example dataset. And of course, you can also load your own data, your own image data via drag and drop. That's the easiest way. Or you can use File, then Underlay, load Underlay. By default, when you open your image data, the 2D slice view, the axial slice view will open. I also like to open this 3D rendering to investigate my dataset in detail. I will zoom out a little bit and rotate. And what I use now are the shortcuts. So I zoom out and in by Control and mouse wheel, and I rotate my image data by Alt and left mouse button. And you can find the implemented shortcuts in the software under Help, Shortcuts, Main Shortcuts, or here the mouse mode shortcuts. And here you can see, for example, Control and mouse wheel is zoom in and out, Control and Alt, Alt and left mouse button is rotate view. And I recommend to print out the mouse mode shortcuts and place them on your desk close to your mouse, that you really get familiar with the shortcuts, because using shortcuts will speed up your image analysis. So it's really helpful to use them. What we see here is a CT scan of a mouse that was injected with 3 tracers. And the CT scan, we call it underlay in the Imalytics Preclinical Software. So you see here CT and Hounsfield units. And normally the underlay are the anatomical information, so a CT scan or MRI. And then we can load the functional data, the PECT or SPECT data or optical imaging data as overlay. And here as overlay, the first channel is the information from the FDG scan. So we have here FDG, the unit, and channel 1. We can go to the next channel, it's iodine. And to the third channel, we have here some signals from technetium. In the software, you can perform image and segmentation operations on your image data. And some operations, they are only performed on your selected layer. So in this case, it's the overlay. But I will go back to the underlay to perform some image operations on the underlay. I can right-click, for example, here on one voxel, and then I will open the context menu in this way. And here I can perform a segmentation operation, for example, morphologic, dilate. I can dilate the liver by 2, for example, and now it's a little bit thicker. Very helpful is our undo button. I can undo this operation, I can redo it, and with the undo button you can undo up to 20 operations. I will also perform an image operation, for example, a filtering, a Gauss filter with 1, and now you can see that the CT scan is a little bit smoother. I can also undo this. And you can work on your image data using our mouse modes. So as I mentioned, by default, it's the first mouse mode selected, it's the slice through. And with my left mouse button, I can slice through my sample. Some of the mouse modes, they work only in the 2D slice throughs, and some they also change the 3D rendering. So for example, set view center, it also works only in the 2D slice throughs, but for example, pan view, it also works in 3D. And I think that's all for the beginning. Again, I recommend you to watch the tutorial videos. Yeah, of course the introduction one, but also the upper toolbar and also the other videos, how to deal with large data sets, what is underlay and overlay, input and output class, also really to get started with the software. You can also open our manual, check out the manual. We have a virtual assistant if you have some specific questions or some FIQs. And if there's still some open questions, feel free to send us an email. We are really happy to provide you an online demo, a hands-on session. Yeah, that you get started working with our Imalytics Preclinical. And that's all from my side from today. And yeah, I hope you will enjoy working with our software. Thanks and bye-bye.